everybody up to Unit 3, Things to Eat. Lesson 2, Fruit.
Number 1.
Does he have apples?
Yes, he does.
Number 2.
Does she have bananas?
No, she doesn't.
Number 3.
Does he have peaches?
Yes, he does.
Number 4.
Does she have oranges?
No, she doesn't.
Now, answer my questions. Do you have apples? Do you have bananas? Do you have oranges? Do you have peaches?
Thank you for watching. See you next time.